everyone. Before I start my video, let me introduce myself to all those people who are listening me out there by hearing my voice. You get an idea that I am a girl. No doubt I am. And my name is Damini Rajwal. By profession, I am a fashion photographer and teach photography also. So काफ़ी टाइम से मेरे जहन में कुछ बातें चल रही थी जो मुझे लगा शेयर करनी चाहिए. बिकॉज आज के टाइम पे पीपल आर रनिंग फॉर द ब्रांड, ब्यूटी, मैजेस्टिक लाइफ एंड ऑल, बट देयर इज नो वन इज हैविंग इंटरेस्ट टू मोटिवेट द रियलिटी ऑफ लाइफ, टू इंट्रोड्यूस द रियल फेस ऑफ लाइफ. सबका अपना इंटरेस्ट होता है, अपना एक टेस्ट होता है. ठीक है, माना लाइफ में कुछ फ्लेवर्स होने भी चाहिए. बोरिंग लाइफ कोई भी नहीं चूज करना चाहता. बट व्हाट अबाउट द रियलिटी? Still a big question mark for me. सब लगे पड़े हैं एक दूसरे को कॉपी करने में, लगे हैं एक दूसरे का लाइफस्टाइल कॉपी करने में. बट ज़रा उनके लिए भी सोच कर देखो जिनकी लाइफ में जीने की ही उम्मीद ख़त्म होती जा रही है. कई लोग तो बस यही सोचते हैं कि आज का दिन निकल गया, बस कल की कल देखेंगे. लेकिन ज़रा उन लोगों से पूछ कर देखो जिनको आज से ज़्यादा अपने कल की फ़िक्र रहती है कि आने वाले कल में हम करेंगे क्या. बुरा भी लगता है कभी कभी सोच के कि हम जैसे पढ़े लिखे लोग अगर फ्यूचर को लेकर इतना डीपली सोच सकते हैं तो उन लोगों का क्या हाल होता होगा जो लोग बिल्कुल ही बेरोजगार हैं. उनके लिए ज़िंदगी जीना सज़ा काटने जैसी ही होगी. आज का नहीं पता, कल का भी नहीं पता. जी रहे हैं तो बस एक सहारे की वजह से, एक उम्मीद की वजह से कि कहीं ना कहीं ऊपर वाला है, वो सब देख रहा है और सब सही भी करेंगे. नो डाउट परमेश्वर सब देखते हैं एंड सुनते भी हैं और हमारी प्रॉब्लम का सलूशन भी निकाल देते हैं. यस, आई ऑलवेज बिलीव इन दिस. फॉर मी माई लॉर्ड इज़ माई बिगेस्ट स्ट्रेंथ. लेट डोंट बी गेट प्रैक्टिकल. आई विल शेयर माई ओन स्टोरी विद यू जस्ट फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, बिकॉज एवरीवन हैड अ स्टोरी ऑफ देयर लाइफ. Everyone had a turning point in their life, but no one can talk about it. So that's why I will share my own story with you just for an example, just to show you all that people, life is all about hope. For me, everything that happened in your life, there is a reason behind. I still remember that day when I decided to be a photographer. I was supposed to become a government employee as I was doing graduation, but my attention was somewhere else. I was somewhere stuck in my camera. Yeah, seriously, I was very much fascinated that time. I shared this with my sister that I am losing my interest day by day towards my study and getting attracted towards this photography and all. She listened me very carefully and said, Dida, look, if you are seriously thinking of this, that you wanted to be a photographer, don't be afraid and even don't get confused for your career. Be confident, I will manage everything. Then she told along to my father. She made him convinced for me. And guess what happened? I get the most unexpected reaction from my father. He got agreed, and that time I was like, seriously God, you are somewhere listening to me, you are watching me and you know what I exactly want. But yeah, during this conversation with my father, he said, I am permitting you for this just because you are happy. But meanwhile, don't let my expectation down and even don't lay down your confidence. I don't want to see you regretting your whole life by saying you made a mistake. And that moment was like do or die situation for me. God has given me this golden chance to live my life according to my wish list and don't even want to waste this chance. I really don't want to waste this chance. God is everywhere. Believe that He is watching us. My strength is my Lord. He is my biggest hope. My sister said, Dida, never give up, and never had this thought in your mind that you made a mistake. You have to prove yourself, and you have to prove each and every person who demotivated you, who made your career option a joke for themselves. Those people who are laughing for this right now, believe me, they believe in, like, seriously Damini, you have done this. She guided me, she encouraged me, she taught me, like, help yourself to be happy. Don't feed your mind with negative thought. She built a confidence inside me, and from above this story, I observe life has many ways of testing. A person will either by having nothing happen at all or by having everything happen all at once. Don't ever give up. Don't let frustration knock you down. Don't let fear stand in your way. Don't let time get in your head. Who cares how long it takes or how many you fail? Your only competition is yourself. And when you finally succeed, the struggle will be worth it. Just woke up with the belief that tomorrow will be better than today. Because we are all in the same game, just different level, dealing with the same hell, just different devil. If you feel like you are losing everything, remember that trees lose their leaves every year, and still they stand tall and wait for better days to come. Never lose your hope, never think negative, never blame yourself, and don't give up. Great things take time. Thank you.